Hello. Hello. You are so cute.
Hello, Annie. Hello, can you hear us?
We can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
We cannot hear you.
Yeah. Us.
Okay, never mind. You can take your time and try to see if you can finish this sound issue. Okay?
Try to get help from your sister or mother.
It seems that we heard a little bit.
There's a word there that I can't read. Your sister can read yours, so she's going to help me.
Okay, we can hear you. It is great.
Thank you.
So, you are. Hello.
You sure?
Yeah, it seems that the connection is not quite good. So I will stop my video to save some bandwidth for Eddie. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Adrielle. Okay. Yeah. That's your name, Adrielle?
Adrielle Zeta, Santiago.
Okay. How old are you?
5.
5. I think you are the youngest here. At least what I see. Okay. So what are you going to talk about?
The nature around me.
Okay. We are with you. You can start.
No, baby. Start. My name's Adrielle Zeta Santiago. You can call me Azzy. I love nature. I thank God for giving us a wonderful nature. I have pets, but also I have plants in home too. How do you take care of your pets? I feed them food, think about them, clean their poop and pee, and then play with them. Enjoy. Our beautiful garden. We have beautiful plants in our garden. Fruit trees too. We have vegetables too. And flowers. I take care of them and pray for them and take care and share. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, do you have your own garden?
Papa, in my home.
And what kinds of fruits and vegetables do you have there?
I have many.
You have many?
Papa.
Well, hi, Eddie.
She's a bit shy.
Yeah, I know. Would you like to join her and help her?
Okay.
Do you have in the garden?
What do you have in the garden? I have plants, invisible plants, tomatoes, eggplant, and beans, and a potato, and fruit, and flowers, and trees. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is it for your own use, just for your family, or do you share with others?
Appa. With my family.
With your family. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Bob.
I'm quite curious that you pray for the plants. So what do you usually pray for them? To grow bigger or to grow some very beautiful flowers or something? So what do you usually pray for them?
Both of them.
Okay. So you are the first person I know pray for these plants. I'm so honored to meet you.
Yes, Bob. Thank you, Bob.
You are so cute.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So what is your favorite plant? Or maybe some plants with some specific colors or some specific shapes of leaves?
Purple.
Purple.
Flower.
Purple flowers. That's
Blue
really beautiful.
It's a flower that is color blue. It's tea flower.
Wow. Wow, it sounds an amazing flower. Blue,
Yes.
blue one.
My parents drink it.
Okay. Adrielle, you know, I also plant some seeds and use them later. And I would like to know if you feel like me. Do you feel that your vegetables are more tasty than those that you buy in the grocery?
Yes, Bob. Yes.
Yeah, I can understand. I can understand.
Yeah, I'm a kind of person who can never plant the plants well. So thank you so much.
So she mentioned purpose. I don't know why, but I haven't succeeded with the purpose. No, nothing happened to them. Just only stay as seeds. That's all. I don't know why. I do something wrong there, but all others are quite well.
Yeah. So Ezzy, do you usually draw these flowers? I saw that from your introduction, you like to draw, to sing, and to dance. So do you usually draw these flowers?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have some drawings by your hand that can show us?
Marker.
Do you want to show us? It's okay if you don't want to.
Yes. Here, go. Go. Flowers. Draw your flowers. Go. Go. Show it to them. I'll show it.
Now we are watching an artist.
Yeah.
Just the artwork, the whole process.
Oh, she did it very quick.
Yeah, and you're really good at drawing.
Yeah. Is this the same as the flower that you have in your garden?
Yes, Bob.
This is the blue one, right?
Yes, Bob.
Okay. I don't think we have such a flower here in Israel, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, maybe in future we can find that in our earth, some place there are exactly the
It's
same.
beautiful. It's really, really beautiful.
Really nice.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for showing us. It's really, really nice. Very pretty.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's such a
Thank
nice
you.
love. So Kelly, shall we move to the next
you.
presenter? Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Nice to have you. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.